Welcome back to our channel. Now we will do the exercise of chapter 2. Let's start. Number A. Fill in the blanks. Living organisms need food to dash and dash. Living organisms need food to grow and survive. Number 2. Vitamins A, D, E and K are soluble in dash, whereas vitamin B and C are dash soluble. Answer is fat and water. Number 3. The deficiency of dash in the diet causes a disease called beriberi. That answer is vitamin B. Vitamin K helps in dash of blood. Answer clotting. The dietary fibers constitute dash roughage. Vitamins or minerals are bodybuilding foods. False. Our skin makes vitamin E in the presence of sunlight. False. Deficiency of phosphorus can lead to anemia. False. We should eat food that has all essential components in the right proportion. True. Kwashiorkor occurs due to the deficiency of fat in the diet. False. Then number C. Tick the correct option. Number 1. When a drop of iodine solution was put on the cut surface of a potato, it turned blue-black in color. This indicates the presence of starch. Then, the deficiency of vitamin A in the diet causes a disease known as answer night blindness. Then, iron is essential for answer formation of hemoglobin. A child who has bow legs is suffering from a deficiency disease known as rickets. The deficiency of proteins in the diet of children can cause a disease known as kwashiorkor. Then we will do number D and number E. Number D, question number 1. Name the important sources of food. Answer. The important sources of food are plants and animals. State importance of carbohydrates in our diet. Answer. Carbohydrates in our diet are a source of energy. Number 3. Name the vitamin whose deficiency causes the disease of night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets. Answer. Night blindness vitamin A, beriberi vitamin B, scurvy vitamin C and rickets vitamin D. Name any 3 of the minerals needed by our body. 3 minerals needed by our body are calcium, iron and iodine. State the role of calcium in our body. Calcium helps to build healthy bones and teeth. Write the full form of the terms PEM and PCM. PEM, protein energy malnutrition. PCM, protein calorie malnutrition. Then number 1. Name 2 sources of the following: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, roughage, vitamin A, vitamin C. Carbohydrates: potato, mango. Proteins: milk, soybean. Fats: butter, meat. Roughage: green vegetables and fruits. Then we will do the E and F point. Vitamin A, milk, shark, liver and oil. Vitamin C, orange and lemon. Then we will do number 2. Describe one test each for detecting the presence of the following in food. Number A. Proteins. Answer. Test for proteins. Materials required: mortar and pestle, test tube, dropper, concentrated nitric acid. Procedure: crush some bean seeds in a mortar and pestle. Make a suspension using water. Take a little of this suspension in a test tube. Very carefully add a few drops of concentrated nitric acid to it. If the color of this suspension changes to yellow, it indicates the presence of proteins. Then number B. Test for starch. Materials required: iodine solution, test tube, dropper. Procedure: take the material which is to be tested, add iodine solution with the help of a dropper. If it turns blue-black, it indicates the presence of starch. Test for fat. Materials required: paper. Procedure: to take the given food item and rub it on a dry paper. If fat is present in it, it will leave a translucent mark on the paper. Then we will do number 3. Why do we need proteins and how do they affect our health? We need proteins for the proper growth and development of the body. They affect our health and warning and tearing of the body tissues at all ages. A mineral X is essential for the formation of a component Y in the blood of a person. The function of component Y is to transport oxygen in the blood. The deficiency of mineral X in the diet of a person causes a disease Z. Identify X, Y and Z. Also mention the symptoms of disease Z. Mineral X, that is iron. Component Y, that is hemoglobin. Disease Z is anemia. Symptoms of disease Z, that anemia is body shows fatigue, loss of appetite, whitening of nail, swelling of hands and feet. Deficiency of iodine is more common in mountainous regions. Why? Deficiency of iodine is more common in mountainous regions because the soil and water of mountainous regions are poor in iodine. These regions are far away from coastal areas. What is then number 6? What is a balanced diet? Why should we take a balanced diet? Balanced diet, a diet which consists of all the nutrients in a proper amount, is called a balanced diet. And the SDGs are SDG goal number 3, that is good health and well-being, and SDG goal number 6, that is clean water and sanitation. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel for more educational videos.